Let's solve homework exercise number 18 from section 10.4. We need to find the area of this figure. All right, now, there's not a formula for a pentagon, a five-sided figure. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide this and cut it there. So the bottom part is a rectangle, and the top part becomes a triangle. And then we'll find those two areas, and we'll add them together. So the area of the bottom part is a rectangle, right? And it is 11 by 48 meters, right? So the area of a rectangle is length times width. So we get 11 times 48, which we'll do on our calculator. All right, and 11 times 48 is 528 square feet, okay? So this right here is 528, I'm sorry, square meters, not feet, okay? Now, the top part is a triangle, right? Something like this. This along here, this side is the same as this side because rectangles have opposite sides the same. So this is 48, and notice, this is 21, and all the way from the top to the bottom is 26. So from here to here is from all the way, I'm sorry, all the way, whoa, let's try that again. All the way from the top to the bottom is 21, okay? And the bottom part is 11, which means when we subtract, we get the perpendicular height of 10 for the triangle. Notice the 26 and the 26 are the sides, are the slanted sides. You don't need that. So again, right here is our picture here. We've got all the way from the top to the bottom is 21, and this is 11. So the perpendicular distance here, what's left from here to here, is 21 minus 11, which is 10. So then the triangle is what? Area of the triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. Again, the base was the 48, and then the height was 10. So we can do 1/2 of 48 is 24. 24 times 10 is 240, or obviously you can use your calculator. So 240 square feet, okay, along with the area of the bottom rectangle, 528. So we'll add those two together to get the total area. So 528 plus the area of the triangle, top part of the triangle, which is top part of the figure, which is a triangle. And we get total area is 768. All right. And its area is always square meters. All right, very good. Number 19, find the area in terms of pi. Okay, well, okay, so we're going to leave it in terms of pi. Notice, the middle part is a square, right? One side is 4, and all the sides of a square are the same. So the area of the middle part is a square. The area of a square is side squared, so 4 squared, which is 16 square centimeters. Okay, now, these 4 areas are half of a circle, a semicircle. So 2 semicircles make a circle, so we have a total of 2 circles. Okay, we have the red one would make 1 circle, and then if you take these 2 halves, put them together, make another circle. Okay, the area of each circle is pi r squared. Okay, now notice this circle here, this circle on top, it's a semicircle, so if we go all the way around, notice the side of the square is actually the diameter of the circle. So the diameter is 4 meters, so half of this, okay, cut it in half would be the radius, so 4 divided by 2 would be 2 centimeters, would be the radius of the circle, right? From here to here would be half. So then the area of the circle is going to be pi times 2 squared, the radius squared, which is 4 pi. Now that's the area of one circle. Remember, we have the area of 2 circles, right? 4 semicircles, so 2. So to get 2 circles, we're going to go ahead and multiply by 2. So 2 times 4 pi is 8 pi. So now what is the total area? The total area is the area of the square plus the 2 circles, right? Which would be equivalent to 4 semicircles. So the square is 16. The 2 circles, which would be equivalent to 4 semicircles, is 8 pi. Now notice, you cannot combine the 16 and the 8. You got to leave them separate because this is multiplied by pi. And again, everything is in square units, square centimeters. So there's our answer, 16 plus 8 pi. Okay? So we've got to put that in. The area is 16 plus 8, and they don't have pi this time, so there's the pi symbol from the little course menu bar. 16 plus 8 pi, and then it's square centimeters. Okay? They're rounded to the nearest tenth, so we're just going to go ahead on our calculator. 16 plus 8, and then second exponent key gives us the pi because it's in blue. So 16 plus 8 pi, and the decimal to the nearest tenth would be 41.13, which would be 41.1 rounded to the nearest tenth. We'll round down. Tenths is 1 decimal. And then again, the units are square centimeters. All right, very good. Let's go ahead and look at problem number 20. Okay, find the area, find the formula for the total area. Now, okay, the square right here, one of the sides is length A, it's given. The area of a square is side squared, which is given to be A, so it's A squared. And again, we can't simplify. It's A times A or A squared. Now, notice, this is a rhombus, so all the sides are equal. So this side is length A. With respect to this side, the height, the B is the height because it's drawn as a perpendicular. So the rhombus, the area of the rhombus is height times base. Okay, with respect to here, you can see with respect to this rhombus, okay, we have, well, let's see, try and draw the rhombus more like this. Let's get it like this. Here's our rhombus. Yeah, and here's our side A, right? And then the height is B, right? There it is. So again, here's the base A. The height is B, so it's A times B. Okay, so there's the area of the rhombus. Now this rhombus, this side is also length A, right? Because the rhombus has all 4 sides equal. So then this shares a side, the rhombus shares a side with the square. So this square has length A. So again, the area of the second square is A squared, which is just A times A, which is A squared. We can't simplify. So finally, what's the total area? It's this area of square 1, which is A squared, the area of the rhombus, A times B, plus the area of the second square, A squared. And notice now, simplify, A squared plus A squared is 2A squared plus the area of the rhombus, AB. And again, these aren't similar terms. You can't simplify, so that's your final answer. 2A squared plus AB. Okay? The 2 squares and then the plus the area of the rhombus, which is A times B. All right? So we'll put that in, that entire, so it's 2A, and then it's what? Squared for the area of the 2 squares, and then plus the area of the rhombus, which is A times B. It's height times base, and that gives us the total area of all three figures. All right, very good. We're going to stop this session here. If you have any questions, send me an email at tswers@hodges.edu or call me at 239-938-7805. Thank you.